Okay, so I'll share this link and update the agenda discussion page. Okay. So I think we can start. Yeah, so I'll just go with we have a small idea, so we can do a round of introduction. So hi, I'm Sain. I work with the Flatcar team. I primarily look into the releases part of things. And other than that, I've been working on a couple of the package upgrade these days. Over to Dongsu.
Yeah, I'm also part of Flatcar team at Microsoft. And usually I'm working on security updates packages. And Krishna?
Hi, my name is Kashimir. I'm also a part of the Flatcar team at Microsoft. Usually working on keeping the Flatcar up to date as much as possible. Yeah. Kai, how about you?
I'm Kai, also part of the Flatcar team and based in Berlin. Yeah, Thilo?
Hey, I'm Thilo. I'm the engineering manager of the Flatcar team, so I'm trying to help my folks to succeed. Also, I'm a stand-in for Danielle today, so I was the one pressing the go live button. So we have a YouTube stream and a YouTube recording. Over to Mike.
Hi, I'm Mike. I'm with Adobe. We're users of Flatcar for our Kubernetes stack. I'm just here to participate and be part of the community.
Thank you. So that's, I guess, every one of us. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and share my screen to start off with the release planning. Sorry, I forgot to make the slides. I doing after 2 iterations, and I forgot that we had slides. So I'll directly jump onto the release planning board. Okay, so we are planning, is my screen visible, right? Yeah, so we are planning release to start the release next week. So to do a release next week, so hopefully we have a bunch of updates which are necessary in, or the PRs would be getting in the next few days. So I hope we could start off the release builds on Friday, so that we can get the release out probably on Monday or Tuesday. And talking of the how it goes, so we have Vim going in. We have, as usual, the updates for the container D and the series certificates going in, and the latest version of Go Rust. We have Oniguruma and Git latest version, and the bin utils. It's just got merged. We are working on. Okay, so Kajime picked up the Jilib and the boost. The PRs are, I guess, is open, right, Kajime? For Jilib and boost.
Yeah, it's waiting for review. So.
Okay, so it's in the review stage. We are working on the rsync update. Dongsu picked up. So, and I guess zlib is also merged, or it's part of Regime's PR, I guess.
Not really, because what what actually happened is that zlibs became stable. So all I did is I updated the zlib attributes and removed the keywords, but you still need to put up new active keywords for the R3.
Okay,
Because
so
we are it's still not updated in my pull request.
okay.
So I have seen that you already have a brand that's doing that update. So I guess you just need to rebase it on current main and should be fine.
Yes, so it has the patch. So I have created the branch. I will test it and update. Similarly with the Intel microcode working on the shadow one, and the system D251 is getting a bit delayed. We'll try to get it by the next release, but I don't think we can merge this in the current one. So
one question: that this list is not generated right manually, or is it like it's manual thing?
sorry.
That list that you are showing right now is a thing that is not generated on the fly, right?
No, this is done manually.
Oh, okay, yeah, because I think that we have like Rust 163 right now in May, not 62. So
okay,
yeah, because I heard that, but I didn't know that this needs actually to be updated. Sorry about that.
yeah. So this is primarily like so this is Dongso updated it, and we usually update it manually, and we take over. So planned items are the ones we are planning over to head on next, and then we just assign the tag on who is working on which package. And then backlog are the ones we probably would look into the next set of releases. So yeah, so that's how it goes. And then we have the triage, which is like we need to look.
One thing, the GCC 11.3 is not a part of backlog. It's already merged to main, so it will be a part of the next release.
Okay, so this goes into this one.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. Cool. Okay, so yeah, so this is how it looks. So we should be good for this week's by Friday. And from the PR side, we had a couple of OpenStack PRs getting merged. Where did that go? Okay, so Matthew is not on this call, but he particularly mentioned about this issue, which would be landing in the next one, in the next release. So this got merged, so he updated on the Matrix channel. So anything other than that folks you want to point out for the next release, or like if things goes right, we probably would start the builds on Friday. Anything that would not get merged by Friday, you think? Any work?
So 2 weeks ago we updated image subkey, image update subkey, and
right, yeah.
Probably we need to release also LTS 2021 or
right. Yes, that's true. I'll check the version. The current one is 27, 2021.
2605 30.1. This is the current version, and 31.
24 is current version, I think, but I don't remember what's the patch version.
31.
No, sorry, 24 is the version of SDK. So sorry for concluding.
This should be right?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Yeah. Okay. So for the next, we should plan for the August, the 26th of September. So we have we would have a new alpha. We would do a new beta, And I'm not sure if we should do a new stable. Do you think we should push a new stable, because we would be like 4 weeks in? So do you think we should cut out it's been some time? So I was wondering if we should cut out a new stable.
If we wait one more release and cut the stable in October, we might have a chance for system D 251 going stable, right?
Yeah.
But since it's not in the current round of releases, like a future major new beta in September would not include it. So that would be worth a thought.
Yeah, so the thing is that with 4 weeks, we earlier had a cadence of 2 weeks. Now it's 4. So I think like the distance has increased a bit. So maybe we should go one stable, because it's been some time we have
that's a good
point. Yeah. It's July to October. So I mean, July to October is a huge jump.
That's true. What's the progress and the missing pieces of the new CI pipeline? Do we have a good idea when we could start using it for automated builds, so we can reduce the manual effort for releases?
So on my side, sorry for cutting in. On my side, there's still no support for building the old LTS in the new pipeline. This is
okay.
Yeah, so this will need like fixing the new pipeline and fixing some fixes for the way we are testing the updates, because it's like there are still some issues about downloading the wrong previous image for the update. So yeah, this is still missing. I'm not sure about other things.
Yeah, the dev container test is one issue here in the planned to-do list I see, and the other one is publishing the SDK container automatically to the container registry.
That's a
and
super. That's
reworking the release. To have one release action where we can put our things in and think about how we copy to origin. But I mean, in the beginning, I would say we do it as closely as we do it right now, because it's the easiest. Yeah, so kind of currently it's Mantel, Plume, pre-release and release, which I would both put into one job together. So yeah, that's what's missing still.
So regarding LTS 2021, support for that would end in October, because we published 2022 in May. So I guess
true.
So there's a September LTS 2021 update, and then that's about it.
Yeah, but still, like the work on releasing or supporting two LTSs in parallel is still needed, because at some point you are going to have LTS 2022 and LTS 2023. So some groundwork needs to be done on the way.
That's a good point. That makes sense. Yeah.
Okay, so actually I was planning like if we could target the September release with the new CI pipeline.
Yeah, I think that's that sounds good.
Okay.
Gives us a month to iron out the last sprinkles. So the fully automating SDK publishing and syncing from the build cache to the origin servers should be relatively low-hanging fruits. So I would say a few days.
And the dev container testing.
The dev container, yeah. I mean, thinking about it, but
we have a DK container, right?
Yeah, I'm not trying to feature creep, but thinking about it, now having the SDK container around, we could even go as far as investigating the overall concept of the dev container and whether it can be replaced. But yeah, that's, as I said, let's not feature creep.
Cool. Another thing I wanted to mention, Dongsu, you can probably suggest, should we move to Vim 9?
Sorry.
Should we update? Right now we are on Vim 8, so should we update to Vim 9?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Then I'll then look into the PR for updating to Vim 9, because they are having a bunch of CVs that gets fixed there. So
which package you are talking about?
the Vim package, Vim and Vim core. Okay. Cool. Anything else to add? Any more questions?
Something that comes to mind, but just for visibility reasons, is do we track the grub update? Because it's exciting, right?
Yes. So haven't added it here yet, but yes, that's kind of a good progress that we did there with the Cola test running and the Cola test passing. So
that's why I mentioned it. This is great work, and I think giving it visibility would be worth it.
Okay, I'll then add it to the 26th of September board column. Yeah. Cool. Thanks. Anything else? Any points that you would like to share? If nothing, then we can probably end the meeting here. Thank you all for joining. Have a great rest of the day and see ya. Bye.
Thank you, Tim.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.